Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to pair your headphone SONOS ACE with your Android device. You have to start by open settings, then go to connected devices, now click pair new device. Then press and hold power button until you can see that this LED light starts flashing. Here we go. Now it should be at the device list. Okay, if you had the same situation, just press and hold power button again until this LED light starts flashing blue. Here we go, and now it should be at the device list again. So click on it and click pair. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!